This video will cover the 3 essential assets every professional aged 55 and over already possesses but might not be fully utilizing. You've spent decades building something valuable. It's time to put it to work online on your terms. If you are over 55, you are not starting from scratch. You are starting from a position of leverage. Everything you've earned, learned, and lived through is already an asset. The key is recognizing and using what you already have. Many people think starting online means learning new tech, building from zero, or competing with younger creators. The reality is that this is the slow path, and it's not the one you need to take. Asset number 1. Your experience is your intellectual property, or IP. Decades in the workforce mean recognizing patterns others miss, and having made mistakes others will pay to avoid. Your expertise is already a packageable product. Asset number 2. Your network is your first audience. Your existing relationships with colleagues, former clients, and industry peers mean you already have a ready-made audience that trusts you. You don't need to go viral. You need to be relevant to the right people. Asset number 3. Your credibility is your shortcut. Online, trust is the biggest barrier to a sale, and your proven track record does the selling for you. Years of real-world results and lived experience set you apart from most online creators. The shift is recognizing you're already in the game. It's about converting your experience to income, your relationships to reach, and your credibility to clients. This is not reinvention. It's translating what exists into a new format. Most platforms teach tactics, tools for beginners, and how to build from zero. What you actually need is translation, turning what you have into what works online. Your background is your strategy. If you're serious about monetizing your experience online without starting from scratch, we have a solution. Stay connected for step-by-step guidance, or explore Thrive 55 OS for a complete system to turn your expertise into income. Your experience deserves to pay you back.